Today I'm headed to the Meldahl Dam on the Ohio River. It's a Wednesday. I got an itch while I was at work. Rained all day, stopped raining about an hour before I got off. So I got a feeling those fish are gonna be biting. Gonna go see what we catch, maybe get on some big hybrid white bass. I brought 2 poles. About one I'm gonna cast around with some curly tails and some beaky rigs and spoons and crankbaits and whatnot. I brought one other pole in case I get some bait fish. I'm gonna cast out, try to catch catfish. I'm gonna be right up next to the wall, hoping to catch something big or maybe a bunch of fish, even if they're not big. Just looking to have some fun today. Glad you can come join us. Stay tuned. Here I am. I just made it. Good thing I did. Almost didn't make it in time. Thank God there's a bathroom here, but it's really rushing out. It's pretty muddy, so see what I can do. Well, there's a lot of people down there where I'd like to go, but as I was walking down that way, I noticed this still slack water sitting there, so I think I'm gonna fish it. All right, I'm gonna cast this thing out, see what I can catch. Got a shiny hiney at the top, 2 curly tail grubs towards the bottom. See what happens. I think I just seen about 4 gar rolling on the top, so I got a feeling we might be seeing some gar action here soon. Man, I love hooking them things. It's hard to get them in, but man, it's a fight. Got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a big gar. Come on, brother. Oh yeah, come on, man. Get up in here. Get up in here. I knew we was gonna get on some of them. I seen them rolling. Come on, you stay on there, brother. Oh, I think he snagged by the back. He smoked that first one. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah, don't snag my cat pole up, man. Let's get you in here. Oh yeah, I caught him right in the mouth. Heck yeah. Oh! He come off there. Just got smoked. He let go. Got something on here. Oh yeah. Another gar. Oh yeah, come on, man. Simply get this one in. Oh, come on, he's swimming upriver. Gotta keep the tension on him. Oh yeah. That's when you lose him right there, is when they jump out of the water like that. Yep. He's coming right to me. Oh yeah, jump on the bank, brother. Oh yeah, got him on the bank. Oh, maybe not. Oh, come on. Yeah, how about that? First gar of the year. Woohoo! Man, look at him. He wasn't letting go of that jig, that's for sure. Shoo-wee. Look at that thing. Whoa, calm down. Whoa, feller. Whoa. Look at that. He broke off my other ones. How about that? Man, look at the teeth on that thing. Well, I guess I'll get this thing unraveled and get him off of here. Got something. Oh, another guard. Oh, yeah. Come off there. Dang it. Oh, yeah. Getting spooled. Oh, yeah. I don't know what this is. Probably another gar. Feels like it's got some shoulders on it, though. Keep tension on him. Come on, yeah. Let's see what you are, big boy. Probably a big old gar. Come on. Let's see you jump for us. Come on. Let's see you jump for us. Oh man, what is that? That is big. Usually if it's a gar, they've already jumped, but man, it just might be a big one. Oh, muscling it in here. Oh yeah. What the heck is this thing, man? It'd be awesome if it was a catfish or something. Whatever it is, it's nice. Holy crap, this is probably the biggest fish I've ever caught on a rod this size. Oh man. Oh yeah, big old gar, dude. Oh yeah, he is not liking it. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, Betsy. Oh, don't you dare get hung up in my catfish rod. Come on, you. Oh. I think he spit the hook and I got him snagged now. Come on, you. Come on, big old thing. Let's get you in. Oh, it might not be as big as I thought, but it's bigger than the last one. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on now. Yeah, look at that tail. Look at that tail. Oh, yeah. He is not happy. He is not happy. Yep, he is snagged in the tail. He is pissed. I'll get down here and grab this thing by the tail. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Oh, and he's gone. And he took my rigs with him. That was a good size one too. Woo-hoo. All right. Got one. Oh, I wonder what it is. Oh, little gar. That's the smallest gar I've ever caught. Wow. Oh man, I got lucky there. He come off and I snagged him in the belly. Woo! Well, there he is. Just a little guy. Feisty little feller. Oh yeah, I'm getting... Oh yeah, look at that thing. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! Easy, easy fella. See what you done did? You done got snagged in the tail. All right, time for you to get off there. Well, he's bleeding, but here he goes. See you later. Thanks for the fight. Got one. Last one before I go home. Oh yeah. Let's see what it is. Probably another gar. I won't be mad. Oh yeah, see that thing jump? Heck yeah, another little guy. Get in here. Little son of a bitch. Oh, how you doing? Yep, get up here. Get up here. Well, looks like that's gonna wrap it up, folks. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.